if you are a Windows 10 or 11 user and you are facing a problem that is Steam not working, opening or launching on your system, then this video is for you. We are going to solve this problem in this video with some simple steps. So watch till the end so you don't miss any important step. First, you need to close your Steam application from the background of your system. For this, you just need to click on this arrow icon in the taskbar and right click on Steam icon and click on Exit Steam. Then click on Windows plus R key on your keyboard, and here you need to type app data. Click on OK or hit enter, and from here click on local file, then find the Steam file. You just need to right click on it and simply click on delete. You just need to delete the app data of Steam app. Also, you can delete this app data by this command. I have no issue with my Steam app. For this, I'm not deleting the file, but you need to delete the app data file that might be corrupted in some way. So you can try in this way to delete this app data of your Steam app, and it might help you to solve this problem. Now you have to restore the app data of your Steam application by this command. Follow this command on the screen. Now click on OK or hit the enter button. Then you will see a Windows pop up on your screen, and it will start downloading the app data of Steam application for you, and it might take some time. Wait until the message prompt like hit any key or click any key to continue or finish the download process. When you see this type of message, that means the download process has been successfully completed. And then you can enter any key of your keyboard, then simply restart your PC and run the Steam application on your system. Hope this will work for you. If you like this video, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.